So last year we did a potato tower and we had no success with the tower. Basically, once it got up about this height, I started putting hay around the plants, and that was kind of an experiment to try to mulch around the plants, and the hay just did not work. The hay actually trapped too much moisture up around the top of the plant, and basically all my plants rotted off right at the surface, and everything died, and we didn't get any potatoes. So this year we tried the potato tower again, but we're basically going straight compost out of the garden, is what we're putting around them. In fact, there's a compost pile there. We're going to pile it back up, and we're about to add another level to this, because we're going to try to get it up as high as we can before the potato plants start to blossom, because once they start blossoming, that means they're getting close to the end of their life cycle. So we're going to add a couple more layers and just keep bringing the dirt up, and hopefully we'll get a good amount of potatoes out of this. We are putting extra fertilizer into the soil, and also throwing any garden material that we're not using. We're literally just throwing it straight in there and then covering it up and letting it compost and break down inside the potato tower. I'm going to cut the tops back on these onions because they're getting so long they can hardly stand up. So I'm going to cut these back, and we'll throw these. We'll just throw them in there with the potatoes, let that rot and create more compost. So there we've added another board, another layer. We filled it up with dirt. You want to make sure that you don't completely cover your plants. Like we've got one down here that's running a little behind the others, so we're leaving him some room to grow, but all the others we're leaving just a little bit showing. This one here is really doing well. So there's the potato tower so far, and we will keep you updated on that.